Activity Builder allows you to create and customize activities in zSpace Studio, Newton's Park, Franklin's Lab, and Euclid's Shapes. Let's create a zSpace activity from scratch. First, I go to zCentral and open the Newton's Park sandbox by typing AP23. I will start by adding pages in Activity Builder. I can add the question text, choose the type of question, and add hints. I add only one page at a time and click Save before adding each additional page. After I finish adding all of the pages, I click OK. Now let's build a scene by adding objects from the backpack and changing the constraints. In Newton's Park and Franklin's Lab, you will create one scene that will be used for the entire activity. Now that my activity is complete, all that is left to do is create a cover photo and save my activity by clicking Save As. Okay, so let's review the steps for creating an activity. I go to zCentral, open the sandbox, open Activity Builder, add pages, and save the activity. I then create the scene the way I want students to see it. If I am working in Studio or Euclid's Shapes, I can create multiple scenes and attach them to the pages in Activity Builder. I save the activity by selecting Save As from the Home menu. The only difference between modifying and creating an activity is that when you are creating an activity, you start in the sandbox. Whereas when you are editing an activity, you start with the activity you want to modify. To find additional tips about Activity Builder and more information about editing an activity, check out Editing a zSpace Activity. We believe, as I'm sure you do, that the best way to learn is by doing. So now that you have learned how to create an activity, how will you create activities to connect to your curriculum?